Welcome to this fast-track guide to K9, the concepts and principles of leadership. Let's get straight to the point. At its core, leadership is simply the skill of positively influencing others to achieve a common goal. It is not about being a manager or having a fancy title, it's about the actions you take to make your team and your projects more successful. For your apprenticeship, understanding and demonstrating leadership is crucial. It's what assessors look for as evidence that you're operating at a high professional level, and it's essential for building a strong portfolio and delivering an impressive final project for your endpoint assessment. You don't need to wait for a big opportunity to practice leadership. You can start this week with one of 3 simple, powerful actions. First, take ownership. Every team has those small, annoying problems that are no one's specific job to fix. Maybe it's a confusing page on the wiki or a flaky test in the build. See it, claim it, and solve it. Second, mentor someone. This doesn't have to be formal. If a new person joins the team, offer to be their go-to for questions. If a colleague is struggling with a tool you know well, offer to show them how it works. Third, practice influencing. In your next team meeting, if you have an idea, frame it as a solution. Instead of just saying what you think, explain why you think it and how it will help the team achieve its goals. So, where do you find these opportunities? First, look for friction. Where a process is slow, clunky, or confusing, this is a goldmine for business analysts and IT consultants to step up and suggest improvements. Second, look for knowledge gaps. Is there a tool or a part of the system that you understand well but others struggle with? This is a perfect chance for software and network engineers to lead by sharing knowledge. Third, look for risk. Where are the potential security flaws or quality issues that no one is talking about? Cybersecurity analysts and engineers can lead by proactively identifying these threats and proposing solutions. The easiest way to start is to have a direct conversation with your line manager. Tell them you are focused on developing your leadership skills for your apprenticeship and ask for their help in finding a small project or task where you can take the lead. To get the marks, you must document your leadership actions effectively in your portfolio. The best way is the STAR method. It's a simple storytelling structure that assessors look for. First, S for situation. In one sentence, what was the context or problem? For example, the project setup guide was out of date and inaccurate. Next, T for task. What was your specific goal? My goal was to rewrite the guide to make onboarding faster for new team members. Then, A for action. This is the most important part. Use bullet points and the word I to describe the specific leadership actions you took. I volunteered to own this task. I gathered feedback from recent new starters. I rewrote the guide with clear steps and screenshots. I presented it to the team for approval. Finally, R for result. What was the positive outcome? The team adopted the new guide, and the next new starter's setup time was reduced by 50%. This is a perfect, concise piece of evidence. Here is your final action plan to demonstrate competency in K9. First, actively seek out one opportunity at work in the next month where you can take ownership, mentor, or influence. Second, implement it. Take the action without waiting to be told. Third, as soon as you've done it, write your STAR reflection while it's fresh in your mind and add it to your portfolio. Finally, remember your major project. When you write your final report, make sure you include a specific section that discusses a leadership challenge you faced. Explain how you used influence or took ownership to overcome it. This demonstrates a strategic mindset to the assessors and is a key requirement for achieving the higher grades of merit or distinction. Follow this plan, and you will build a powerful case for your leadership skills.